Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the CyberGoth outfits inspo in DTI. So if you want to transform your avatar with a futuristic age, this video breaks down the perfect CyberGoth outfit piece by piece for Dress to Impress. And I'm going to show you how you can how the items you need to nail the neon hair, industrial gear, and dark aesthetic. So now let's just get started. First, let me show you the hair that I use for the look. So I'm using all this from the locks hair category, and for this too, you can just color it black, including the bangs, and change this one into this pink color to make it look like a neon color. Now let's just make the outfit. So you can start by going to the main section in here. For the outfits, I'm going to use this and toggle it into dress and change the color into black and combine with some, I'm going to go with pink for this one, and lace gray like this, and for the accents, pink. And then put on the stockings and toggle it into number 4 and make it thick. Use the sleeves and change the color using this fishnet pattern. And I'm going to use this on the hand, change the color. The first two colors just leave it in black, and the last one make it pink. Now go to the main section and put on this goggles, change the color to black, and the last two into pink. Now for the shoe, I'm going to use this Mary Jane shoe in black color. Got to put on the socks. So to put on the socks, toggle it into high strip socks, and then change the color to black and pink. Put on this leg warmer and use this zebra pattern, and you can just put on some accessories. So I'm going to use this necklace in black, and also this choker necklace in here. So that's pretty much it. So this is the final look for CyberGoth in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.